In the last video, we added the CSS.
In this video, we are going to add the final page, the page the form goes to when you click the submit button.
To add the last page in form and .html, inside the body tags, we will add a center tag. Inside of the center tag, we will add a div tag with the class form. Inside the div, we will add a very simple h1 element that says thank you for filling out this form. Now let's test that out and see how that looks. So I'm going to refresh this. So I'm going to enter your name. Our name is. Our email is. What is blank? I'm just going to choose 3. Select one. Select all that apply. Why do you Now we click the submit button and it says thank you for filling out this form. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to make a form. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.